Fix-a-flat doctor jailed for manslaughter after deadly butt injections. March 28, 2017, Broward County Courthouse, Florida. A woman dressed in blue prison scrubs stands before the judge, lips tight, eyes unreadable. The courtroom is silent as the sentence is read aloud. 10 years in prison, 5 years probation. The charge, manslaughter. The crime, injecting women with industrial chemicals to enhance their bodies. Her name is O'Neill Ron Morris. But the press had already given her another name, the Fix-a-Flat Doctor. Because what she pumped into her clients belonged in tires, not bodies. She promised them beauty. For some it cost pain. For one, it cost her life. O'Neill Ron Morris wasn't a doctor. Not really. She had no medical license, no training, no sterile office. But if you were desperate enough, if you wanted curves and couldn't afford a surgeon, she was your solution. She showed up in living rooms, motel bathrooms, or garages. Her equipment fit inside a red tote bag. Her price, a few hundred in cash. Her promise, quick, easy beauty, no scars, no recovery. She wore a white coat, carried herself like a pro. And her clients believed her. Most were young women, dancers, waitresses, single mothers, even nurses, all chasing the Instagram look without the 5-figure bill. They didn't know she was using Fix-a-Flat bathroom caulking and superglue in their bodies. One of her clients was Shataka Newby, a 31-year-old mother from Florida. She first met Morris through a friend and booked several sessions. The procedure was simple. Lie face down, bite a towel, don't ask what's in the syringe. Morris would inject the mixture into Shataka's buttocks, pat the area with gauze, and wrap it with plastic. No questions, just results. At first, Shataka was thrilled. Her figure was changing fast, but soon things felt wrong. Her skin was hardening, burning, turning purple. She told family members she feared she was rotting from the inside. She was hospitalized multiple times. Doctors couldn't reverse the damage. On March 17, 2012, Shataka Newby died in a Florida prison from respiratory failure due to silicone embolism, injected directly into her bloodstream. She left behind a young daughter. When investigators searched Morris's treatment spaces, they didn't find scalpels or antiseptics. They found rubber tubing, paper towels, glue guns, and bottles of household sealants. The concoction Morris used was a mix of Fix-a-Flat tire inflator, mineral oil, and bathroom caulk sealed with superglue. Her clients believed it was medical-grade silicone, but it was never sterile, never safe, never legal. She wasn't even licensed to give flu shots. Yet she had treated over a dozen women across Florida. Some survived with permanent damage, infections, scarring, disfigurement. Others disappeared into silence, afraid to speak up. But one death was enough. In 2017, after years of evading justice, O'Neill Ron Morris was finally sentenced, not for fraud, not for impersonation, but for manslaughter. She told the court, "I only wanted to help people feel beautiful." But what she left behind was pain, fear, and a body count. Have you ever trusted someone just because they wore a white coat? Subscribe for your next chilling whisper.